These 5 movies and shows didn't just show hacking, they actually used real Linux tools on screen. Let's break them down. In The Matrix, Trinity uses a real Nmap scan to find open ports on a target system. You literally see a legitimate command line attack happening. This is one of the most realistic hacking scenes ever put in a film. In the movie Tron Legacy, Edward Dillinger is seen using a Unix-like system. The interface reflects real command line environments, showing how corporate systems and access controls actually work behind the scenes. Within the film Snowden, Edward Snowden uses Linux-based systems to access classified NSA data. The film shows realistic terminal usage, encryption, and secure environments used in intelligence operations. Most importantly, this is based on events that actually happened. In Mr. Robot, Elliot Alderson uses Kali Linux tools and Python like real penetration testers. From cracking passwords to exploiting systems, this is one of the most accurate depictions of hacking ever made. Last, but by no means least, the film Black Hat, Chris Hemsworth plays a hacker using Linux terminals to trace cyber attacks and analyze malware. The tools and workflow closely mirror real-world cybersecurity investigations. Hollywood doesn't always get hacking right, but in these scenes, surprisingly accurate. If you're learning cybersecurity, this is what it actually looks like. Like, share and subscribe and stay and watch our next movie. Start learning some basic real-world ethical hacking and Linux.